Religious institutions, community centers, and nonprofits all have unique needs when serving their members and communities. Sintel Systems Global Point of Sale offers solutions to allow these organizations to serve their members and events more efficiently, allowing more time and energy for what matters most, the objective of the institutions. We will demonstrate Sintel Systems' omni-channel self-serve kiosk technology for a temple that offers its members a variety of services including religious services, donations, and on-site food sales. The all-in-one kiosk systems is equipped with a screen for touch operations, magnetic strip credit card reader, and EMV chip credit card slot, built-in printer, and a barcode and QR code scanner that can be used to scan a variety of items, including member information directly from a smart device. Once a member approaches the kiosk, they will be greeted by the start page or messages that will be running as shown here. Simply touching the screen will prompt the start page. Press Start to proceed. The first page is typically set as the most commonly used function. In this case, it is the religious service page. Tabs on top will allow access to the other pages, including donations and food. The donations page allows for the selection of preset amounts or custom amounts to be chosen by the member. The food page lists all the available foods and drinks. If the food is to be prepared in the kitchen, the system will automatically send it to the kitchen upon ordering. The lower part of any page will show the total quantity of items selected, the total amount selected, and the payment option. In this case, we only have an option to pay by credit card, but additional options such as pay cash at the cashier or pay with other methods such as gift cards is also available and can be configured. Next, we will move to demonstrating processing different transactions. On this page, there are 4 religious services listed. We can select all of them or multiples of a single service. We can select all of them one by one, and as shown, they are all listed on the bottom. In the first transaction, we will purchase a single religious service by selecting one service on the top. Notice that the item, the total item selected, and the total amount are shown on the bottom. Select Credit to make a payment. We are then promoted to either slide or insert our EMV chip credit card. Notice that Sintel Systems chip card technology eliminates the need for additional bulky pin pads. Inserting our EMV will continue the transaction and issue us a voucher that we present for the service to be performed. Payments, including donations made to nonprofits and religious institutions, are typically tax deductible, but please obtain advice from your accountant or tax preparers for details. Sintel solutions allow the user to remain anonymous or have a record of their payment registered with the organization. At the time of payment, as shown here, the system will prompt the user if they desire to have a record of their payment with the institution for further reporting purposes. Here, they can either put in their identifying number, such as a phone number, scan a membership card, or scan their smart device if they have registered it. Let's skip the step and remain anonymous this time. We are prompted to remove our card and the transaction is completed with the receipt printed. The screen immediately returns to the start page and is ready for the next transaction. We will now show a transaction for 2 religious services that will provide us with 2 separate vouchers by selecting the 2 services on top. Notice again that the 2 items, the total items selected, and total amount are shown at the bottom. Select Credit to make payment. We are then prompted to either slide or insert our EMV chip credit card. Inserting our EMV will continue the transaction and issue us 2 vouchers we present for the service to be performed. Both vouchers are printed and separated from each other. We skip this part again, remove our cards, and take the receipt. Donations will be the next part to be demonstrated. After pressing Start, we select the Donations tab. There are options for pre-selected amount on the top. Select $10 and the selected item. The total item selected and total amount are shown on the bottom. Select Credit to make payment. The credit card is inserted and the transaction is approved. We are now being asked if we want credit for this donation or remain anonymous. We can enter our identifying member number, scan our member cards, or scan our smart device. We will choose to put in our number and select OK, which will register the donation to the member. The system prompts the removal of the card and prints a receipt for the transaction. We will also demonstrate a donation whose credit is recorded via the smart device. We select the $10 donation shown on the bottom and mistakenly also select the $25, which we can easily remove by pressing the X button on the top right of the item. Select to make payment and insert the credit card. The transaction is approved and we are prompted by this screen again. This time we choose to use our smart device by scanning the QR or barcode on the built-in scanner on the lower right on the kiosk. The system prompts the removal of the card and prints a receipt for the transaction. This community center also serves prepared foods. The third tab is for food and lists the different types of foods and drinks available. If the foods were made to order items, the system would automatically send the relevant parts of the order to one or multiple sites in the kitchen to be prepared. We select several items and again, those are displayed at the bottom. Payment is made and receipt provided for the member to take to the area and collect the ordered items. Sintel Systems Kiosk technology is self-sufficient and offers an elevated level of efficiency. Maintenance consists of replenishing the receipt paper, which is done easily by opening the front cover with a security key. Under Sintel Systems' all-inclusive support plan, kiosk systems are delivered fully pre-configured and ready to go. With unlimited training and continuous software version upgrades, our vast portfolio of global clients are always delivered the latest solutions. Please visit the sintelsystem.com website and see what our clients say about us in the testimonial section of our website. Feel free to contact and see how our solutions can serve your organization and members better.